In this video, I'm going to show you how I use math illustrations to make some geometry diagrams. Let's get started. First, I'm going to make a parallelogram, and I want it to be perfectly horizontal. So I'm going to click on these axes here. You'll notice if you click on it again, you'll get more grid lines. I only want the X and Y axes. Then I'm going to grab over here the polygon tool, just so that I can make it flat and horizontal, and there, and there. Now I don't really like that interior color, so I'm just going to select it and hit delete on my keyboard. I'm going to make that, I'm going to click that side, hold down the shift key, click that side, and I'm going to go over here and with the lock, I'm going to force them to be parallel. And then over here and here, I'll do the same thing. Now I don't want those parallel symbols, so I can just click on them and do Control H or Command H if you're on a Mac to hide those symbols. But they're still there, and you'll notice that as I drag around the point C, then it remains a parallelogram. Now I want the diagonal, so I'm going to grab the line segment tool and go from C to A. Now at this point, I don't really need the axes anymore, so I'm going to turn those off. I also don't want the labels. I'm just going to press delete on these. But you'll notice that they're not really gone, even though I pressed delete. So if I do a right click and choose, toggle hidden, I have to make sure nothing is selected. That's why I had to do it again. Right click, choose toggle hidden, and then you'll see in gray the things that I can turn back on, like the parallel symbols or the letters. Get out of that. Now I'm going to add a text box, and I want to say for Y. I want that Y to be italicized. And then you can see you can change your font and your font size. Over here, a common thing that I get for annotation would be the degree symbol. You can also get your Greek letters, uppercase and lowercase. And I'm going to drag that right over there. You can see that you can pin it. I'm going to do a copy paste, and I'm going to do a 6Y. Whoops. Okay. And I'm going to do another copy paste. And over here, I'm going to do 125 degrees. So get my degree symbol. Another paste. Whoops, grabbed the wrong thing. And it happens all the time. Whoops, I have it locked. So click on that to unlock it or pinned. Go up here. And I want that to be an X. And I want it to be italics. Click that right there in that corner. And voila. And then what I usually do is I do a Windows Shift S. I'm on a PC. And then I can drag and do a little screenshot, and then I can paste it into my document. So there you go. That's one way to use math illustrations. Enjoy!